A new you in 21 days detox program. As the old adage goes, you are what you eat. Unfortunately, it has to take a cliché for us to be reminded that eating canned foods, for instance, give you some protein and nothing else but a variety of garbage in the guise of preservatives, artificial food colors and flavors with tongue-twisting names. The body responds to these and other toxins by neutralizing and segregating them to a degree that the body can tolerate. However, at some point your system becomes overloaded with toxins that you start feeling symptoms like headaches, joint pains, frequent colds, sore throat, constipation, chronic fatigue, allergy, high blood cholesterol, and so much more. Detoxification is a method of purging toxins from the body, so you will be revitalized from virtually every cell promoting body functions. Any type of detox methods is beneficial for our system, but not everyone is fit to immerse in a detox program. Talk to your doctor and have a physical examination prior to engaging in such. People with chronic diseases and other ailments may not be able to withstand the whole duration of a detox program. Bear in mind that when in a detox program, you are cleansing your body using only fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Do not consume anything other than those. Depending on the length of a detox program you want to adopt, 3 to 5 days, 7 to 21 days, or a year-long program, always jumpstart your day with a warm lemonade drink made of 1/2 lemonade and a glass of warm distilled water. 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast, eat any fresh fruit, then replace cereals and bread with whole grains like short-grain brown rice, amaranth, buckwheat, and millet. Eat fruits or roasted vegetables for midday snacks and fresh green salads, or any cooked combination of vegetables for your regular meals. You are trying to avoid sugar, caffeine, refined flour, red meat, and other animal products. Do this for 7 days. And, for the second week, consume only raw fruits and vegetables as well as fresh fruit vegetable juices. This is supposed to relieve your digestive system of any stresses and hasten detoxification. Finally, the third week of your detox program is the liquid diet, in which you will be consuming fruits and vegetable smoothies only. This is to further relieve any stresses on your digestive system, as well as stimulate treatment and cellular renewal. It also helps if you are supported with applications of yoga, reflexology, meditation, and light therapy. After your success with the detox program, continue on with a non-toxic diet and lifestyle. Begin by eating only organic foods as much as possible, drink distilled or filtered water, drink low-fat dairy products, and rotate common allergens like eggs, wheat, which has gluten, and yeast foods. Always include fresh fruits and vegetables in your daily diet. You can get protein by eating beans, nuts, legumes, or fresh fish. Shellfish is not advised, and avoid or minimize red meats, cured meats, organ meats, canned foods, refined foods, saturated fats, sugar, salt, coffee, nicotine, and alcohol. Changing your lifestyle and diet supports your excretory organs in detoxifying.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.